It's been a year full of extreme weather around the world.
Climate change.
Climate change.
A 90% chance that the mean temperature in the next 5 years will be higher than the last 5.
Climate change posing as the biggest challenge currently.
Georgian College students retrofitted this 1972 Volkswagen Westfalia as an electric vehicle. The question is, why?
We are driven by the imperative to combat climate change and reduce our carbon footprint. Electric vehicles are a crucial part of this endeavor, and through projects like this, we are accelerating the transition to sustainable mobility.
This project is part of Georgian Sustainable Projects Learning Initiative, which aims to get students involved in innovative hands-on learning experiences that tackle the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals. The college officially signed the UN SDGs in 2021. Students from engineering and technologies, interior design, and other programs added the VW project to their innovative hands-on learning experience.
Part of dropping the transmission on the van, the original transmission had to come out, and we were originally checking seals because we had leaks, and we wanted to make sure that it wasn't going to be a detriment to the motor or cause any issues later on down the line. I also kind of assisted with the wrapping and putting Bondo around the body to make sure it looked nice, because it was in good shape, but it definitely had some blemishes that had to be cleaned up. I also did part of the flooring, took all the cabinetry out. I cut the whole part of the hole for the battery box to go in.
To prepare for this project, 3 faculty members traveled to California to visit electric vehicle kit supplier EV West and get hands-on training at its affiliate nonprofit Electric Vehicle Training Center.
One of the biggest impacts that we face in terms of the climate crisis is greenhouse gas generation from the transportation sector. So this is important, and it shows how using off-the-shelf technologies, we can convert existing vehicles and platforms to a cleaner, more robust, more powerful, simpler, better way of powering our daily commutes.
Georgian College is Canada's first and only Ashoka U Changemaker College, committed to fostering positive change and equipping graduates with innovative skills and a creative mindset. Georgian's dedication to social change spans all 7 campuses, actively supporting the UN Sustainable Development Goals, UN SDGs. Each deliberate step empowers students and contributes to global improvement, embodying its mission to drive impactful change.
Well, I grew up in a small farming community, so I see like people that drive like big trucks and everything like that they don't need. And then when you look at something like this that's versatile, it's big enough, and you can go camping with it whenever you want, but it's electric, it kind of opens your eyes to say, well, electric's not that bad, and electric can be used for a lot of different things.